Hey guys, good morning. Perfect. So welcome to Dialora. In this video, I will explain exactly how to integrate your own Twilio number and what are the steps that you need to follow. First of all, when you log in, you will see a dashboard over here. This is very much fresh account, so I'm just kind of showing you how it looks. On the left panel, you need to go to integrations. In the integrations, you will see all the options. Over here in the second row, you will see Twilio. When you click on Twilio, it will ask you your account SID, your auth token, API key, and API secret. This is only required if you don't have any number that has been assigned to Dialora and if you want to use your own Twilio number. If you don't want to use your own Twilio number, you can go to phone number and then buy a phone number. You can directly buy a phone number over here as well. But in case if you do have a Twilio number, then you can go to integrations on left panel. In the second row, you will find Twilio. Now there are total 4 parameters that is required in this to configure your own Twilio number. So over here, you will find a link console.twilio.com. You need to click on that link. Once you click on that link, you need to log in. Once you log in, then this is basically you will find on the Twilio home. Over here, you need to click your own Twilio account. Once you click that, this is my test account I'm showing you for the demo. Once you click that, you need to do all the KYC and those things. Once you're done with the KYC, you need to upgrade your account. And if everything is there, your balance, everything, then it should be good. Then once that is done, then you need to go to get a phone number. Over here, I'm sure you will be able to find your phone number itself. So that should be good enough for the phone number. Now the question is where to find the this four particular details. So let me show you where to find those four details. Perfect. So over here you will see like at the bottom when you kind of scroll down, you will find your account SID and auth token. You can kind of copy that auth token and then put it together in the auth token. Account SID, you need to copy the account SID and you need to copy paste from here to here. Once that is done, then you need to find this below two, API key and API secret. Let me kind of show you where to find the API key and API secret. Below the auth token, you will find over here at the bottom API keys. So you need to click on go to API keys. So once you click on go to API keys, on right side you will find create API key. Make sure like this region is default United States. If you want to change it, you can change the region as well. Once you click on create API key, you need to write a friendly name. So let's say it's Dialora and your account name. Then you can write, let's say, Alex Dialora. And then once you kind of the key, keep it standard. Don't keep it kind of anything else. If you want to change the region, you can change the region. Once you click on create, it will create an SID and secret. SID in our case, it's an API key like this. This is an API key. Over here, it says an SID. You need to copy this and then paste it over here, just like this. And then you need to copy the secret. Once you copy the secret, and you need to paste the secret over here. Once you're done with that, and then once you enter the account SID, make sure once you got it, thanks, I have saved my SID. This secret you will not be able to see second time, so make sure you save it somewhere. And then once you're done with that, it will redirect you. Let me click this, and then it will redirect you over here. You will be able to find all your API keys over here. Now once this is done, we can go back to from here. Let me copy my SID from account SID. Let me copy and then paste it over here. And the similar way, I need to copy this auth token and then paste it over here. Once this everything seems good, you need to save the changes. Once you save the changes, you refresh that, fetch your phone numbers from your Twilio. Once you fetch that, if your phone number is there, then it will show up over here, phone numbers. In my case, I haven't purchased it's my free account, so I don't have any phone numbers. Once I purchase, then it will show me here the phone numbers, whatever my Twilio account has. If you do have any question, happy to answer as well. Thank you.